Hi and welcome back. Let's learn some more interesting animal fun facts. Ants never sleep, they work all the time day and night. They are determined and very hard-working. Butterflies are always in search for nectar. They use their feet to feel and find nectar on flowers, and they enjoy their flight all the way. Polar bears are left-handed. They are mentally trained to use their left hand as their primary hand. Cats have different and unique nose prints. Their nose prints don't match with one another's, just like our fingerprints. Pandas eat bamboos. That's their favorite food so far. So cute! Honeybees can count. They know how the numbers work. Do you know which animal is the loudest of all in the world? Yes! That's the blue whale. Cats use their long and funny whiskers to find their way in dark. That's a superpower, isn't it? A hummingbird's heart has the power of beating up to 1,200 times within a minute. That's amazing! Butterflies can live for 2 weeks or up to 2 months. They enjoy their lives with fun and adventures. If you see a group of puppies, what do you call them? A litter! Starfish can grow their hand and limbs back if they get hurt. This is awesome, right? A blue whale's heart can be as big in size as a small car. That's huge!
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.